Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NLST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I let you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green line annotations down here are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. Another solid day. First thing, though, is just going to a little house cleaning here, and I'm going to delete both these lines out here. Sure, they both pertain to the chart. They're just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The one update, though, that I do want to make is just kind of put in a newer level of support. And that is right here at the 65-cent mark. 65, definitely just that ideal level, meaning, if the price can stay up above it, that would definitely make the chart look the most powerful going forward. With that being said, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, stay up above 65. But if it doesn't, by no means the end of the world or anything like that. And, more so from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time goes by, this line here is just going to move itself higher and higher. So for assuming you care about the big picture of everything, the easiest way to measure the health of the move, that right there being the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that. Once more, sure, staying above 65 would be great, but grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at right now, pretty straightforward. Party stop today right up at the 81-cent mark. So 81 cents, very clearly where the sellers are currently at. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, very nice move last week to close out the week, and good to see that the price movement built upon that today. So we'll see if the price can overall continue to build higher bases or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.